Hi everybody, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you new, I'm Jeanette from Boricua Sewing and Crafts. In this video, I just received yesterday, and I haven't opened it yet, my first purchase from Temu. Okay, Temu is a company that is here in the US, and they kind of sell a whole bunch of different items, and they seem to have very affordable prices. And a lot of these items are things that I found that are very similar that I usually purchase off of Amazon. So out of the wing, I just went out of the wing. Well, I just wanted to. I wanted to give it a shot, right? So I decided I went through their little website and I picked 3 items that I have previously purchased off of Amazon, and I saw that they were offering the same item too, and they were pretty affordable. Okay, so the 3 items that I ordered are, I ordered some thread huggers, I ordered a fabric roller, and I also ordered a set of 3 mats for my Cricut machine. It's not the Cricut brand, it's a knockoff brand, but I wanted to see if it would work. Okay, so I got my package right here. Let me go grab the scissor, and I want to do the unboxing, and I have not seen what any of this is. Okay, this is originally how it came. Now let me tell you about buying. Okay, first of all, buying it was very easy, and one of the things that I gotta say, and I have to give them a thumbs up on, was the shipping. It got here really quick, and one of the things that I really loved was when I bought it, it kept notifying me what the status of my order was. So that was like really awesome. So I was kind of like, okay, because sometimes when I buy things that are overseas, a lot of times you buy it, you have to wait weeks for it, but a lot of the items that they offer were things that, you could purchase overseas, or you could even get them in Amazon. These were things that I got off of Amazon, and I'll tell you exactly how much I paid for each of these items and how much I found them on Amazon. So so you can kind of see the cost savings, and let's take a look at it and see how good it is together. So here I am, I'm opening it up, and I know there's mats in here, so I'm just gonna cut all the way through, and I'm pretty excited. I'm hoping that everything comes out really nice. So let's take a look and let's see what we got. Opening this up. Oh wow, okay. All right, so here, the first things out is I bought 3 mats. Okay, now I have to admit, at first glance, they look really good. Okay, these are the Cricut mats that I usually use. I'm gonna open them up, and I want to see the quality, okay, of the mats. Okay, now just so you guys know, I bought these mats at their site for, I wrote everything down. Okay, it's $7.49. They usually sell these mats for $11.99 off of Amazon. So it's actually a difference in price of $4.50. Okay, so I'm gonna open these up because I want to see the quality of these. Okay, so we'll take a look. So I think the price was really good, and I just want to lift it up, and I want to see how it is. Okay, now I have to admit, I know you're not supposed to put your hands all over it because you get the oils of your hands, but I just want to see if they're actually sticky. Now, my take on this, compared to the ones that I buy on Amazon, I don't think it's that bad for the price. I mean, they are not the Cricut brand. Now, this is not. This is just a little knockoff. But for the price of $7.49, and as you can see, I ended up getting 3 of them. Okay, not bad. Pretty happy. I'm content with this. I think this was a good buy. Oh my. Okay, so I could see myself ordering from them again. All right, so this is the mats, okay, that I purchased. All right, so the other thing, And like I said, I ordered thread huggers and also a roller, okay? So let me see what else I get to pull out of here. All right, the roller. The roller is nice. This is what I got. Okay, this was a big savings, okay? This was $1.69. For those of you guys that quilt or sew or something like that, and I like to sew. I've been getting into sewing quite a lot. I noticed that a lot of folks use these to help fold over the fabric, and this kind of really works. And for $1.69, beautiful buy. I really like it. It's smooth. It looks really nice. And I saw these on Amazon for $7.99. So it's a $6.30 difference in price for the same product. So I'm kind of like, wow. So happy. So far, very, very, very happy. Okay. The other thing that I purchased, this should be the last thing that's in this bag, is thread huggers. Okay. Oh. Okay. I use these to wrap around my embroidery thread. Okay. Now I was running low on them, and I was actually going to go on Amazon and buy like a whole other set. This is a package of 20 pieces, okay? And this is another big savings that I found on this website. The 20 pieces cost me $3.97. And if you go on Amazon and you try to buy 20 pieces of these, you're paying $9.99. So I got a savings of $6.02. So let's recap everything that I bought here. If I would have went somewhere else, and I want to see, did they put anything else in the bag? Because I just stuck my hand in there. Nope, that was it. That's all. And you know, I gotta admit, I really did great shopping experience. I gotta tell you, this was really I like it. I highly recommend. You know, if you're looking for sewing pins, if you're looking for sewing clips, if you're looking for you know, thread huggers, if you're looking for something like a thread you know, a roller for your fabric and stuff, if you're actually looking to purchase you know, Cricut cutting boards and stuff, give these a shot. I mean, you know, you can't go wrong. The prices on this website pretty affordable. Now I noticed they have a whole bunch of different stuff. They got the clips and everything. So one of the things that I recommend is check them out before you go purchase other places, just to do a price comparison and see, because if it's the exact same item, why the heck would you want to pay more? And the shipping was free when I purchased it. So just to recap, if I would have gotten my 3 mats, okay, if I would have gotten my thread huggers, and if I would have went and bought this rolling pin on Amazon, the whole total price would have been way more, okay? But because I got it from this company, you know, I mean, you don't get it overnight like Amazon. You know, if you have Amazon Prime, sometimes they do next day shipping and all that kind of stuff. I really wasn't in a rush to get any of these items. This was just something that I just wanted to see, you know, what, you know, how it was and stuff like that. And I gotta admit, I think I got it in about like a week, something like that, which isn't really that bad. And I saved $16. Got my whole paper here. $16.82 by purchasing from this site. So I think that to me is a big win, because you could use that money on other embroidery and sewing and quilting items that you need. Okay, so guys, just wanted to share. I think this place is really worth taking a look at. I will put the link in the video description below so that you guys can see. Take a look at the site for yourself. You know, I mean, they even have a little column in there for sewing and crafters and stuff like that. And they have a whole bunch of different things, from things to store your bobbin, thread huggers, a whole bunch of stuff. So I just wanted to share this with you guys really quick. I think my sister was right. You know, I mean, this seems like a really good place to actually go and look to see if you can buy some sewing supplies from. Not a bad thing, you know, not a bad place to look at. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this quick unboxing that I did on my what they call it, Temu purchases and stuff. As I said, it's looked like the win to me, and I'm really going to enjoy all this little stuff that I got. So guys, hope you like it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I'm all about embroidering, sewing, and all types of crafts. So I will talk to you guys later. Happy sewing and happy embroidering. Bye.